Alright guys, so number 13 I think. So yeah, I continued with the usual learning style, which is again 1, 2 and 3, and then the fourth area for an analysis. So this one I didn't actually need to write down a whole load because all three of them I felt as if they were much in the same. So good speed for all three, good structure for all three, and good facial features. I do believe number 2 is the best one so far, or out the three. I don't know where the lighting is gone, but yep, it's starting to disappear. Number 2 I believe is the best one because it's more gestural and really good for painting kind of style because there's less amount of lines. That number 1 is far too heavy handed, as you can see around the eyes, and the eyes are actually a little bit too big as well. And number 3 around the eyes is far too heavy as well. An ongoing issue that I have is putting far too much pressure on the pencil. But yeah, so for all three I utilised the Loomis method along with observational and geometrical. I am utilising those three methods a lot lately, specifically in more complex topics to draw, purely because I feel like that is the best options and the best way that I can get the best results essentially. This is a drawing of it's actually a wee girl, but this one looks as if she's really old, but she's not. She's really young, and she had a headscarf on and just looking up at the camera. The scarf I made very, very simplistic because it was a very soft material, more like chiffon, so I didn't put too much detail into the scarf, and I felt as if less was more, just like Chanel, less is more. And I believe I am going to wrap up the video there because there isn't too much more I can say about it. I hope you enjoyed it and you're getting some information out of it, and maybe a way for you to learn as well. As always, if you can drop a wee comment below and let me know what you think, if you're actually drawn as well, what you create and what you enjoy drawing. Thanks guys, bye.